Hi ladies, it's Ziva. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm doing something a little bit different to what I usually do on my channel, and I'm going to be doing a wig unboxing and showing you how I literally take it out of the box and put it on my head. And we're just going to be going through things step by step. Now this is Hairvivi. This is who the wig is from, Hairvivi. I have purchased from them before. This is a wig that they have actually sent to me. It comes in this really nice packaging. This box did look really immaculate before, but the kitten has been like playing on it, jumping around on it, catching the ribbon. So the box looks like it's been through a lot of things, and it actually has. So let's open this up. They have packaged it really nicely. When I purchased without actually, being sent the wig from this company in the past, I think I have 2 wigs from Hairvivi. They have been really good wigs. It comes in this nice satin bag, which I kind of am living for right now. And there's a smaller bag, which will come in handy to use for other things. Now, inside is this. Oh, okay, so this brush for your edges. There's a comb on this side and a brush on that side, and there are also these combs to part your hair when you're trying to do things. These are actually very handy. And lastly, there's a sheet of paper here. So it's like a nice welcome note. Oh, so this is actually a little apology note. I had to wait a little bit extra for my delivery for this, and it's just apologizing to me. So but they were in constant communication with me, so that's nice though to get a note about it. A nice extra touch. So let's open up the bag that we all care about. Okay, let's see what this hair is looking like. Now I got this in a natural color. This is Victoria Romantic. You have to be careful when you're going on the website, because there's actually a wig called the Victoria, which is just a straight wig. Victoria Romantic has a little bit more bounce to it. Okay, it has a bit more personality, girl. So obviously it's in this net to keep it all neat and together, and I have had this wig in this box for a while. Okay, I was supposed to do this review, I want to say at least 6 weeks ago. Ooh. Hey, she still looks good, and she has actually been in this wig in this box for a long time. This is a 13 by 6 parting, so that means that it really has the best parting space that there is. But as far as lace front wigs go, this is really good parting space, and it just makes it look more natural. This is an invisible HD lace wig, and I'm going to show you a close-up of the hairline and everything, and of how the actual wig looks and the construction. But I just want to say that so far you can see that this actually looks really good. Literally just taken the wig out of the box, and the hairline is already pre-plucked, which for somebody like me, it makes it a lot easier. I can just take the wig out the box and practically put it on my head. It also has an invisible HD lace. And then there is my personal favorite, which is this really thick band to secure your wig. It also has clean bleached knots, which just means that the knots are a lot less visible, and it just makes it look even more realistic. And now I'm just showing you the inside of the cap construction, and there are 2 combs at the top, and then there's 1 long comb at the bottom. And one thing about Hairvivi is their hairline at the front, there are 1 to 2 strands per knot. Okay, if that makes sense. So with some companies, they can put lots of hair in one strand, but Hairvivi like to do 1 to 2 strands, and I can actually tell some of them have 1 strand and some of them have 2. A bit further back they add a few more, but at the front where it's really important, they do 1 to 2 strands. So that's amazing, and that's one of the reasons why I love Hairvivi and why I'm even doing this video. Let's put her on. So this is the wig straight out of the box and on my head. Like I said, this wig has been in the box for a while and it still looks really good. So this is a close-up of the parting and how the hairline looks when it's on with the lace. This is how it looks. As you can see, this is a bit low for me, but yeah, we're going to be cutting. But it's cute. She's cute, right? Right? So let's cut the lace and make her look even better. So now the lace has been cut, and to be honest, I feel like I usually cut off more, but I'm just going to do this for now, and then later on I can kind of adjust it and cut more if I would like to. Ooh. So that's giving, oh, let me just secure this band a bit more to make it even more snug and look a bit more, well, even more realistic. Oh yeah, that feels good. And now I'm just about to put this clip in at the back. So I'm putting it underneath my bun. This is my wig Glueless. It's definitely snug. I don't feel nervous to go out with it glueless, and this is how I usually go out with my wigs, glueless. That hairline is looking good. Oh, and what I usually do with these, because I always do wear my wigs glueless, I would cut off a little bit more, and then I would literally fold it under and put a bobby pin right here. That's what I usually do with my wigs. So that's how I secure the sides without having to put glue and lots of unwanted things on my hairline. I can make this even tighter if I want to. If I was going out, I would secure this as tight as I could at the back, you know, the strap. I would secure that strap as tightly as I could without it feeling uncomfortable. So this is even more snug. This is actually how I would wear it to go out, and as you can see, that is not lifting at all. Hi ladies, so just a little interval from me. I just wanted to apologise for not actually showing you how I literally would do my glueless wigs. I should have cut some more off of the ear tabs and then bobby pinned it down, but I didn't do that, so apologies for how it looks. Here's another photo of me wearing the same wig on the same day. Definitely love the pre-curled curls that this wig came with. Lots of Hairvivi's wigs do come pre-curled, and the curls stay very, very well, and they do stay for a long time actually. And shedding wise, there's barely any shedding, honey, with Hairvivi's wigs. They don't really do that. The wig construction is so immaculate. So yes, anyway, on with the video. I think I'm kind of feeling the side part right now, and this is the 20 inches. I'm 5'1". This is where it comes on me. So it comes down to my waist, so it is really long. And at the back it comes down, it's really long. It definitely comes down near to my bottom, so it's definitely long, and I think I will cut this. But this is the 20 inches. This is the Victoria Romantic by Hairvivi. I'm absolutely in love with this. Thank you so much, Hairvivi, for sending me this wig, and I hope that we can collab more and maybe even show some color. Hairvivi did actually want me to do like a blonde wig, but I said no, and I chose this. What would you ladies like to see? Would you want to see a wig that has blonde highlights in it? Let me know in the comment section, and also let me know if you like this wig by Hairvivi. I'm in love with it. I'm actually in love with this. Now I'm going to love you and leave you ladies here, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah.